The floor is slippery. You're learning that, huh? I thought maybe we'd get to see you crawling down the hallway, but you're learning that the floor is awfully slippery compared to the rug. Aren't you excited? Cooper, leave her alone. That's the door. Come on, let's see you crawl. You're very silly. You're using like a foot. You're trying to stand up. You're very silly. Where are you going? You want to stand. Look at you. Look at you, Munchkin. Cooper's patiently watching. Oh, he's had enough. Mia, you can come on the rug. It's easier. You want to come on the rug? It's easier over here, sweetie.